Hello everyone, it's Erica with Craftinated, and today I'm going to be opening up my Archer and Olive subscription box. This is the quarterly subscription box and I am super excited to see what's inside of it. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see what we get. I do love that they started putting these boxes inside of another box because it's just so pretty. It's this beautiful deep blue color and I'm so excited to see what's inside. So I did look earlier today and these were still available on their website, and I'll put my affiliate link in the description below. Being an affiliate means that I do earn commission when my link or code is used. Since these are such a good deal, you won't be able to use my code, but for future reference, it's Craftinated 10, and that saves you 10% on your items. So we have here is a pen and accessory bag, and I love the color. So let's open it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 14 pens, and it's probably the same on this side. Yep, 14 pens. I really like that. It's super sturdy and it's really cute with a little handle. That's exciting. All right, so then we have these cute little notebooks. I've seen them already in other people's videos and I just am so excited to have one of these. I'll tell you guys what I'm gonna use one of them for. Let me pull out all this stuff though. Alright, so we'll go through each one of these items. So here we have this really cute envelope with this wax seal. I'm going to be really careful not to break the wax seal. And I love this, like this acetate type envelope, so fun. And it's a big card that says, I have the power to create change with, it's like watercolor and geometric. That's really cute. And then I'm really excited for this too. So these are weekly calendar sticker rolls, or sticker roll I should say. And it has all these different stickers on here. I don't want to mess it up, but there's a calendar. This one says note, another calendar, another note, and there's lots on here. So that's super exciting and I love this little container. So much fun. Okay, and then there's another, there's a sticker book here, so it's 3 sheets, smooth matte finish, and I just love the detailing on this this book. That gold foiling is awesome. It's like a rose gold actually. So this one has habits, notes, to do, reminder, important, and to do, and then 1 through 31, and then some washi sheets. It looks like, or washi stickers. And then it has Monday through Sunday with some, I love these corner and these little hexagons. They're so cute. And then we have Monday through Sunday and some more. Love that flower. Oh my goodness. These are really, I can get down with this. All right. So then in here, there are these little envelopes that have the stickies on the back. I love this. This is so cute. And I'm looking at these and I'm like, I could make some of these. But I do love them. They're so much fun. So there's like an orange one, like a mint green, and a blue, and they all have that same rose gold foiling on them. Really pretty. And then in here there are the coloring pages. So there's 5 coloring sheets in here. This is some pretty heavy duty paper. It's nice. So there's like some jewels on here. What I will probably do with this, I'm not even sure if you can see that on camera, is I will probably color these in and I will fussy cut these out when I do use them and put those in my journal. This one's just like a pattern, some more geometric shapes, and some like leaves. Of course there's a cat. I don't know if you can see this on the it's really light, but it's a cat. And then another pattern one with stars and like geometric. But these right here, this is what I'm most excited about, are these 3 journals and these new pens. So let's go ahead and open up the journals here. And since usually I try to hide the back from myself, but since I already knew what these were gonna be, I'm okay with it. I just want to see them. I love this little size. This is so adorable. Oh my goodness. Look at how tiny and cute those are. I love it. So this one's the craft. I really like this cover. It's like a denim kind of like look to it. And it's the dot grid. Oh my goodness. They are so cute. I wonder if there's a pocket in the back. Oh, there's a little pocket back here. Look at that. So it's just like any other Archer and Olive notebook, but just like miniature. So I really love that. Love the craft paper. So like I said, I already know what I'm going to use one of these for. And I think I'm going to use the blackouts. That's this one. I am going to do a pen pal tracker in mine, and maybe I'll do a video setting it up, obviously not with people's addresses, but you know, just like the general setup of it, because right now I have a lot of journals going right now, but I think that one for that would be good, because just like, you know, like where you have like received, sent, maybe what you sent in it, if you gave any little extras, maybe like what you talked about, like not, obviously you're not gonna like rewrite your whole letter, but you know, like topics, just so you don't keep repeating the same things, or you know, you're keeping it, you know, fresh for your the people you're writing your pen pal letters to. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Yes, I'm gonna use the blackout. So this is gonna be my pen pal tracker, and I am gonna love having this to keep everybody's information in. And since it's going to be keeping some sensitive information in it, I will not take this one out of the house. Okay. Then the last one is going to be the white paper. So this box, if I didn't say it already, I may have said it, I can't remember. That's $70 plus shipping this time. In December, it's gonna go up to $75 plus shipping for new subscribers. But if you're already a subscriber, you're locked into that $70. And it's a quarterly subscription box. Yes, I love it. Look at how tiny it is. It's like the tiniest little this belongs to. It's so cute. It's adorable. I love it. And I love that you get 3 of them because they are small. So in here we have these, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, calligraph? I don't know, it's brush pens, and a practice lettering set. So here's your lettering guide. You got your drills here, your numbers, and some special characters. You have a quote. And then you have the alphabet, so that's fun. So let me grab some white paper. So let's see what these are all about. So we'll start with this one back here. Doesn't have a name on it, but that's fine. And I'm just gonna do like I'm just gonna write hello. So I really like the color. This is really pretty. That's terrible though. Not so great. I did not warm up. You know that if you watched my other unboxings with my Inky box, I never warm up. I just go right into it. And then when this is the finer point. They're definitely a different color. I wonder if there's like 2 little chambers in there, how they do that. But it's a really pretty gray. This one's more of like a taupey gray. This one's more of a cool gray. But I like the fine point too. It's like not a like, you know, like with a Tombow, like the other side is more of like a marker. This one is definitely just like a smaller brush. Let's try this one. This is a really pretty like sky blue. And I love that. So much fun. All right, let's try the other side. And I am going kind of quick too, because I don't want to be sitting here writing forever. I don't think anybody wants to watch me do that. I really like the finer tip on this one. Very pretty. I wonder if these ones have names. I know that they had some names for the acrylographs they were coming out with, and I wonder if these ones will have names as well. So this is a darker blue. I really like this color. I like all of the colors in this box. Like, blues are like my favorite. Obviously, if you've seen my craft room, like my craft room is like the same, like the one wall is like almost the same color as that box. It was called Shipyard from Home Depot. And then, yes, this was just a little bit darker too. But so far, I am loving all of these. So this one looks like it's darker yet. And you know, I love brush pens. I'm just not that great at using them. And I feel like these ones are like easier to use than most. It would be Archer and Olive that would come out with some awesome brush lettering pens that are different, a little bit different than the rest of the ones out there. And I'm in love. And this one's like a darker peach, it looks like. Yes, it is. And then we'll try the other side, and that'll be it for the pens. So I guess you can like blend them and use them like the fine point, and then, you know, do like a ombre kind of effect if that's what you want to do. And this is a really awesome box. I'm definitely going to keep them in this box. So that was everything that came in the Archer and Olive subscription box this time. I absolutely love getting these. It's like the one thing I really look forward to. I kind of wish so while I wish they were more than a quarter, my bank account wants them to be every quarter. But I just love them, and just like so pretty, and this watercolor is gorgeous. Love the way these pens look. So you get the acrylograph brush pens, the hand lettering guides, 3, I think that they said that these were pocket size. I'm not 100% sure. I think they're pocket size though. And then you get your coloring pages. You get these really cute adhesive folders, a sticker book, a sticker roll. Then you get, I think it's like a journaling card, I guess, and this really fun envelope, and then you get the pen case. So, oops, it's fallen over. So that's everything that you get in this box. I think they're a great deal. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Would you want to get one of these? Do you get one? If you get one, which one was your favorite item? I think my favorite item has got to be these adorable little journals or the brush pens. It's a toss-up. They're both a lot of fun. So, like I said, they were still available this morning, so if you really want one, I would get on it. And as always, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you want to get alerts when I come out with new videos, just hit that bell below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.